To ensure your Miele laundry delivery and installation go seamlessly, here's everything you need to know.
First, ensure the taps are functional, reachable, and situated within 1.5 metres of the appliance to facilitate the inlet hoses. The taps should be 3/4 inch in size and have at least 120mm of clear space in front of them to accommodate the anti-flood device. The power outlet should be within 1.5 metres of the appliance. For your safety, it should not be located inside the cavity, below the taps, or placed in front of or beneath the inlet hose. We also recommend you avoid using power boards or extension leads. The drain spigot should be open and no more than 2.5 metres from the install point. The water inlet cutout must be at least a 76mm hole or at least a 76 by 30mm rectangle for the anti-flood protector to fit through. Our installers are available to cut a round hole. However, for specialist work, a plumber or electrician may be needed. If you wish to stack your washing machine and dryer, the correct Miele stacking kit must be purchased. Please refer to the Miele website for details.
Please clear the area to allow easy removal of your old appliance, making sure there are no obstructions in the way.
Please also check to ensure your cavity dimensions are suited to your appliance.
Whilst our technicians will deliver and set up your appliance with the utmost care, specialised electrical or plumbing work may need to be performed by a qualified professional.
Finally, you will receive timely SMS updates about your delivery so you know exactly when to expect us.